Before you start the skirt for your bunny, the body needs to be finished completely and looking like this. You will start by making a slip knot on your hook, and you're going to flip it over and start in the last stitch you made for the back loops only. Poke your hook in and make a slip stitch. Next, you're going to chain 3, and this will act as your first treble crochet. Now you're going to go ahead and do 2 more treble crochets. Treble crochets are where you yarn over twice and pull through 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have 1 more. So now you have 3 treble crochets in 1 stitch. For the next stitch, you only put 2 treble crochets in. So this is your pattern: 3 treble crochet, then 2 treble crochet each stitch until you get back to the end. I'm going to do the rest off camera and see you in a little bit. When you're done, it should look very roughly like this. You're going to put your hook into the chain. Sorry, I put it into the wrong stitch, but you're putting it into the treble crochet that you chained, and you're going to put a slip stitch in. Now you're just going to pull your yarn through and cut it off. Give it a long enough tail where you know you can get it through the neck hole. And now you're going to go ahead and weave in your ends. You're going to weave it through the bottom loops, not the top loops. And it may take a few stitches or pulls from the needle just to keep it even and pretty. Now bring it up through the hole. And when you do this, you don't want it to crunch in like that. You need to keep your tension very loose so that it looks just like one of the stitches. The other side is a little bit easier. You just poke in and go up through the neck hole. Now you can go ahead and tie these 2 together. I like to make 3 knots just to be sure and tuck it in. And there you go. That's how you make the skirt.